Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw, and I want to show you today how to draw a funny kid. Funny kids, I mean, they take precedence on everything with animated feature films, so it's good to know how to draw them. We'll start off with this basic shape here. It's going to be a kid on a very cold day with his winter jacket. And that's going to be kind of the hood of his winter jacket, and it's going to be very thick. So there's the body of the winter jacket, and the legs are also very thick, like this. We're going to bring the small shoes, because if he's very big all over, it's funnier to have small shoes than to also make them big. You have to vary it somewhere. So you want to vary it so it's funny. The shoulders are kind of small, but the arms are puffing out. Give him some mittens. Now let's put the center of this in, this hood. And the eye is pretty far down because he's a kid. Oops. There we go. And we have to put the haircut in here. Let's make that hood a little higher up, so it just totally surrounds him like this. That's good. Now, he's looking a little too big, so I'm going to change it. So one thing you can always do is change anything you want in your cartoon, your drawing. It's there for that. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, look at the difference. Just a little change. He is really worried. I don't know what he's so worried about. Maybe he doesn't like snow. How can you not like snow? So let's give him a little zipper area here. See the little change in the proportions of the character made all the difference, making him funny. My feeling is always, if you're worried about messing up or putting up too many lines or erasing, you don't want to erase. If you don't want to erase, then the problem is you're not trying enough new things. All professionals erase. You just don't see it because the final drawing doesn't have it. See, if I had this as my final drawing, I would do it over exactly as it is, leaving out the unwanted marks, but nobody would know that I went through that change. So anyway, I hope that's helpful to you. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.